Hey traders, welcome back to our new video. So in this video, we are going to analyze this chart. So some of the trade opportunities I want to show you. So we will go through different concepts we have already learned through different videos. So we will analyze the chart and which are the trades I taken, which are the trade opportunities, which are the concepts we use it for trading. So that's our gonna watch in this video. So make sure that you stick on the video at the end. You will get some more information about trading, and that will help you in the future tradings. So first of all, the same as I having already doing every day, what I do is I go for the daily time frame and mark some of the important area which I see as an important area because market has showing some movements or some reactions in this particular area. So I mark these areas as a high value area. The sum of the high values area I marker is up to here. These are the areas I marked. Then we can draw another high value area up to here. So we can see some of high value areas here, likewise. But I am drawing these areas because I see this potential. The market is moving up to here. So on this day where the market started, I will also mark that. So this day was started up to here. The market is trading currently. So I go through different time frames like daily and hourly. So like things to get a different views and a different way the market is trading, or like things to get a perfect structure of the market. So I go through different time frame to analyze how the market is working. So in the different time frame, I see when I open the chart, the market is trading up to here. That is, I see a bullish candle, and the bullish candle is trading up to here. This is my opening of time. So I expect for the market reaching this high value area. At that time, when I open the chart, the market is not reached this high value area. So when I was thinking the market has a potential to collect these areas and reaching this area, so my view in the market was going down. So I go through the different time frame. So when I open the chart, so this is a high value area. I will go for the 15 minutes. So this was the day. Okay, when I open the chart, the market is trading on these areas. So market is showing like a consolidation, and market is in a where the we can go for 5 minutes for getting a further view of this chart. So when I open the chart and I draw a support, this market is trading like this. The market first go a huge sell, and then the market is showing like a consolidation. The market is making double top like things. The market showing is in a consolidation. I draw this area as a support. The market is making a some sort of market activity. That is a market when reaching these levels. When the market is hitting these levels, the buyers came to the market and they pushing upward to the market. They pushing the market upside. So I market this area as a support. The market is not breaking this area, so I market this area as a support. So when I was trading, the I opened the chart and was trading. The market shows a huge sell candle. So some people enter this C as a breakout candle, and they will enter on this candle. They get stop out. So some people's buy from here, buy from here. They also get stop loss. Some people's buy sell from here after this candle by seeing what in these type of when the market when the institutional players come in the live market, we can see a different variety of movements to manipulate the retailers. They shows a huge downside candle, and then again a very big candle to the upside, and again downside. Here what happened is the retail traders, the emotional traders, that the human traders as like us, they are entering by seeing these candles. They think that, oh, the market is going upside, and they will enter a lot of position in the market, and they get hit stop loss. So what I analyzed a, in a perfect what I analyzed in these type of areas, I can I get a perfect solution. So this is not our entry point or exit point. We can see the market first shows a huge movement that the market is collecting some more positions from the retailers to the institution. These areas are collecting the positions of the institution. So many retailers will stop out through by these candles. We can go through the 1 minute to get a further view of that area. I will sorry, I will go to the 5 minutes and mark that area in a correct way. So these are the place we want to identify in very closely this area. So I go for 1 minute to get a further view of that side. Look at these areas. When the institutional players came to play, we can see a huge movements. First, they are consolidating on this area. The market is consolidating. The market indecisions. We can see the so much indecision candle. Indecision candles are a large wick candles. So after that, the market is showing a huge rejection, a huge downside movement. So some of the breakout traders and all they enters in the trade, okay, they get trapped by this type of candle and they get stop out. So what the reason is by is showing this type of candle, the institutional players are entering the market and they are stop outing these retailers. They are taking the positions from the retailers. So the retailers, by seeing these type of candles, they enter the market and stop out. By seeing this large candle, the retail traders has an emotion. They think that the market is going downside because the uh, huge SL huge downside movement is already shown from this candle, and they think that the market is going to downside. But where the market go and the market shows again the market is going like downside, and some of the retailers enters here to a downside because they seen that the market is going downside and showing some a they are making a emotion with the retail traders. The market is going downside, but the market is again go taking their positions and going up. Then at last, where the all the powers of retail institutions come, we can see the all these positions are uh, taken by these institutional players from the retailers. And when the market reaches the correct position or the entry of retailers, the market come up to the institutional entry, where the next institutional entry we can see where they enter in the market is. We'll go to the 5 minutes again. Where they entered to the market is, they ended at the same position when they firstly ended. We can see the institutions are entering the market in here. These candles, we can see a huge downside candle, and they are getting ended in the same position. So at these points, some market shows irregular movements. We cannot understand what the market is doing. We get an irregular movements like large wick candles. So all of these retailers with a small SL and small targets, they get stop out. That's a uh, reason for making this type of candle. So the retailers does not have a correct exact point of SL or wide range of SL. They are coming with small monies in the market. These small monies are taken by the market, and the market pushes from here, this side. This is the same place where the market, the retail, same place where the first entry of first entry of institutional. So that's the thing. Okay, so that was a first entry. That was the first trade. We can trade opportunity, and where it's come to make manipulation in the high value area. The market come to high value area and show some movement, and again the market reaches this support area and again downside, that the market is currently trading like this. So the market is again currently trading like this, and this is our support area, and we can see we go for a live analysis through this video. We don't know it's right or wrong. After this video we go for a live analysis. So here what the market doing is the market making a collecting this liquidity and a entry up to here. The market, some institutions entry up to here and making any support, and we can, the market rejected to this fair value gap, come up to this fair value gap. I see this as a good entry opportunity to the upside of the market. So if I go for a long position here, I put my SL up to here, this area, then we can go for a long in the market. So this is my live trade. So I am showing in the live chart. I will not know. I will show the result of this video in the next video. So I will taking a live trade to show you. So don't take trade by seeing me, because I do all this as an experiment. So don't take this trade by seeing me. It's sometimes it hits a sell or sometimes it hit target. The ratio is 1 is to 2. So we can see that the profit target ratio is 1 is to 2. So we can see the result in the next video. So stay tuned for that. So what's the reason for entering is, so market is showing making a support and a huge big candle to the upside, huge strengthened candle to the upside. So there is a potential of rusting orders on this candle. So I entered the middle position of this candle. I think that the market is not it's went up to here from fib. Sorry, I am drawing the fib area from here to here. The market come up to this FVG. There is a potential chance, if the market is going to the upside, there is a potential chance the market has to come up to this level and going to upside. But I entered the market from here. We can see the result in the next video. So thank you for watching. So make sure that subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.